Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vidya Abhyasa. Today we are going to do the workbook of first class Joyful Maths. Okay, let's begin. So what is it? It is finding the furry cat. See, what you have in the textbook, you have in the workbook as well. But in textbook, they are going to give you the theory, and in workbook, you have lot of sheets where you need to practice. Okay, so let's begin, children. Finding the furry cat. Pre-number concepts. Chapter map. So inside, outside, top, bottom, on, under, above, below. So sorting of this and before, after, between. Let's begin. Okay. Again, this is about positional words. If you see the picture here, children, the dog and cat. So which is inside the house and outside the house? The dog is outside the house and the cat is inside the house. Now tick which is inside the house and cross out which is outside the house. Okay, and next picture, the cat and mouse. Here the cat is outside and the mouse is inside, children. So which is inside? The mouse. We'll put a tick mark and cross which is outside. Okay, let's go to the next part. Observe the picture and tick the correct answer. See the picture here, children. What is there? There's a pond, there are frogs, there are fishes, there's grass, there are leaves and a flower. Now let's read. The fish are inside the pond or outside the pond? So they are inside the pond. Here the frogs are inside the pond or outside the pond? They are outside the pond. So put a tick mark here, children. Let's go to the next page. Yes, we are on the page number 8. So tick the correct answer. Where do you sleep? Inside or outside the room? It has to be inside the room. You don't sleep outside the room, right? Now, second one. Which of these animals is kept as a pet inside the house? Lion or cat? You cannot keep lion at home as a pet. We'll get scared, no? Yes. So, cute little cat, we can keep it as pet inside the house. So, hands-on learning. Ask the students to take out any two things from their bags and place them on the table. Then ask them to write the names of two things that are inside the bag, outside the bag. Yes, children, I have written here. See, when you take out the bag in the class or at home, what do you usually see inside the bag? Books, pencil box, color pencils. Each side I have given 3 examples, children. You can write it down. Outside the bag, you have bench to sit, table to write, and blackboard where teacher write the notes. Okay? Yes, children. We'll go to the next part. That is art integration. So, 2 apples inside the basket and a mango outside the basket. So, we'll draw a mango outside the basket. So, which are inside the basket, children? 2 apples and a mango. A mango is one single mango outside the basket. And now color it. Okay, children? So let's begin coloring, children. Apple is which color? Red. Okay. And mango is yellow. Do it with me, children. You need to color completely, children. Then only the picture looks nice. Okay. Yes. Now let's go to the next part. Subject integration. Write the names of two body parts that are inside our body. We need to write which parts are inside our body. Which are there, children? Yes, heart, lungs, kidney, stomach. So we'll write heart and stomach. Okay. Okay, children. Now we are in page number 8. Now let's go to page number 9. Worksheet number 2. Top, bottom, on, under, above, below. We need to see the pictures and put a right mark, children. Let's begin. Write circle O the objects which are on the top and tick right the ones which are bottom. Okay. So we need to circle which are on the top and put right mark which are at the bottom. Okay. So here you can see a mouse and a cat on the ladder. Which is there in the top, children? It's the mouse. So let's circle that. Okay. Now here the cat is in the bottom. So here we need to put a tick mark. Okay. Now here the star is in the top of the tree and the gifts are at the bottom. So we will circle the star and we'll tick mark the gifts. Okay, children. Second one. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks using the words on and under. Okay, now observe the picture, children. Here there is a table, there is a jug and a cat which is on the table, and there is a ball and a dog which is sitting. The ball is under the table and dog is also sleeping under the table. So we'll see. The cat is dash the table. We need to either write on or under. On means mele, under and kelage. The cat is on the table or under the table, children? The cat is on the table. On the table. The ball is dash the table. The ball is under the table. Under the table. The jug is dash on the table. Where is the jug? It is on the table. Can you see here? Yes, it is on the table. The dog is sleeping dash the table. Where is the dog sleeping? It is sleeping under the table. Okay, let's go to the next page. Next part we'll see in the next video, children. If you like my explanation, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Bye.